Hello students, in this video we will discuss about mathematical definition of function. What is the mathematical definition of function? Function is a relation but not a normal relation. Function is a special type of relation in which if two non-empty set are given, then if all element of set A, clearly listen, all element of set A is associated to the distinct element of set B. There are two things are very important. A and B are two non-empty sets. This is first important thing. And second is all element of set A. That means any element of set A should not be skipped. That means all element of set A associated to the distinct element of set B. This is third very important thing. And to the distinct element of set B. That means any two element of set A don't have the same image in set B. Two element of set A don't have the one image in set B. This is known as function. That means if we write this, function is a special type of relation in which all element of set A should be associated to the distinct element or unique element, distinct element of set B, where A and B are two non-empty sets and denoted by F such that A to B. F such that, read as F such that A to B. That means all element of set A related to distinct element of set B under the function f. Under the function f. Thus, we read as f such that A to B. Now here, already have discussed it. Here two things are very important. First thing, A and B should not be empty set. Means A and B both will be non-empty set. First thing. Second thing, all element of set A is very important. That means, suppose here, this is a set A and this is the set B. Element of set A is A, B, C and D denoted by these elements, and B X, Y, Z, T, P, etc. All element of set A related to set B under the rule F. Suppose A related to X, B related to Z, C related to T, D related to P. Then we can say that F is the function. That means F such that A to B. In the set B, any element may be skipped, but for the function, any element of set A should not be skipped. If any element of set A is skipped, then this will be relation, but this is not a function. That means every relation is not a function. Some special type of relation like this is known as function. Now in the next video we will discuss about some terminology related to function.